my shirt before she leave, I'ma need my shirt back.
What it do, YouTube? It's Mira, and today, as you can see by the title, I'm doing a shoe reveal. I just got the, what's that called? The Jordan 4 Lightnings from the plug. He plugged me for real too. I got these motherfuckers for $180, bro.
$190.
Plus tax. I mean, plus shipping $10. Plus shipping $10. Really $180.
You gotta be truthful with you.
Oh, look at this box.
The box.
Oh my god. Look at this. Get your ass back. Look at this box, bro.
The box hard for sure.
Hard as fuck. Damn, Diamond. This how you know he a good shoe plug. Cause look at the box. He got the box.
Let me feel it.
That's a smart box. 6.5. It's the fact that the price ain't $153 on these. Oh my god. Bro.
That bitch is tough.
Oh my god. I'm finna drip these out. I'm finna drip these out. Get your fingers away.
Let me touch it, bro.
Oh, my light.
Come on, nigga, touch it.
Just look at it. I'm finna drip these out, y'all. Just look at the yellow. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna wear with these.
That yellow tough though.
Trust me, I'm finna. Diamonds. Trust me though, I'm finna drip these out. What should I wear, Donna? Give me some.
Nigga, you should make them gray and yellow baller in accent apparel.
I'll do that. Fuck! Ah! I'm gonna edit this out.
Damn, the light right here for sure.
Damn.
What side them is again?
6.5. I got you for $240.
Fuck no. Wait, look at that.
Look at what? That's fine. Can't nobody see me. I should make a hoodie like this. I want this gray, a yellow hoodie with gray or gray with yellow. I made yellow hoodies before. I made yellow and white hoodies.
Bro, them hoes nice as fuck, bro.
These
I'm gonna get some.
I gotta put them on my feet. I'm gonna put them on my feet, so I'm gonna get to y'all when I get out the car. So I'm finna do my shoe reveal. Don't look at my socks because I got on dumbass socks. But hold on. Yeah, I rate these 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. You know, let me just walk in them. Yeah. Yeah. 10 out of 10. Yeah. Nah, that's the end of the video, y'all. I just wanted to do a quick YouTube on my shoe review. I just bought these shoes. He only charged me like $180 plus $10 shipping. But them 10 out of 10. Most definitely recommend it. I'm gonna find some drip. So make sure y'all stay tuned to my Instagram. See what I drip out with those shoes. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And we finna run it up. Peace.